Courageous souls. I hear some words of encouragement to someone out there who is working tirelessly to break some generational curses, to heal. We get so caught up in trying to fix what we believe or what we may have found out needs fixing in our lineages, in our families, in our bloodlines, breaking generational curses. But then we neglect the fact that we did not only inherit curses from our families, from our lineages, from our bloodlines. There are blessings as well. There are good things within our bloodlines, and it is equally important for us to nurture those. It is equally important for us to elevate those. It is equally important for us to expand on the beauty within our lineages, within our bloodlines, within our families, and also parallel to healing, parallel to doing away with what does not serve us anymore, with what does not resonate with our spirit. We're important to create what it is that we envision for our children, for future generations. I'm talking here about creating new legacies. I'm talking here about rebuilding what was good and maybe what was lost, or maybe what was broken or destroyed. Create ogusha. Have a clear vision of what it is that we want to see for ourselves and for future generations, especially within our families, because everything starts with self and then family. Then it's a ripple effect. It can expand to communities and even the nation. So today, what I just wanted to say is, as you are fighting ukususa loku okungakusebenzeli, loku okungekho kuhle ngomndeni, ngegazi, the clan, the lineage that you were born into, be intentional about creating what it is that you want to see. Be intentional about creating okuhle. Be intentional about building, rebuilding. Be intentional about nurturing okuhle okukhona within you, because it is not only curses that we have inherited from our forefathers. It is not ogubi phela that runs in our blood. So yeah, a word for today as we start a new week: be intentional about creating new, beautiful legacies.